Thank you, dear visitor. Thank you for visiting us today. It would be my endeavor to take you on a virtual tour of our manufacturing facility. This is Sharad Mahindra from AI Nova Lighting. We are situated at Faridabad, and we are a 35 years old lighting manufacturer exclusively in the field of landscape and architecture lighting. We take pride in the fact that we are a completely 100% indigenous company, but we make state of the art, globally acceptable products and are widely acclaimed in the market that we operate in. So, thanks again for visiting us. I would proceed with the visit. Thank you. As a very brief introduction to our product range, we have here a few bollard lights. We have over 100 plus designs available merely in the bollard light segment. Bollards are, as you are aware, mid-height luminaires for path lighting and for street lighting. There are some. I introduced to you this architectural luminaire. It's a light engine with 120 degree watts and beam angles right from 8 degree onward, going up to 60 degrees. Then we have a few post stops. Again, as I mentioned, all these are designed, developed, and manufactured in-house completely. We have before us in-ground uplighters, spike lights, and those architectural luminaires, landscape luminaires, which are essential for beautification, essential for making a landscape stand out, appear well. Thank you. Now as we enter our factory premises, we have 15,000 square feet built up a space, and we are fortunate enough to have enough height available, enough space available to put up few of our poles and post stops on display. Here they are. As you can see, we have a wide range of products: decorative, period, Victorian, contemporary, and some very, very special products developed over a period of time in the last 35 years of operation. Having seen them unlit, we have lit up the products once again to get a better view of what we are talking about. This is an architectural lighting luminaire we showed you earlier. This has a long beam throw of almost going over 100 meters, and we can create multiple beam angles there. Needless to mention, all these products are custom designed and have their own properties in terms of performance and in terms of beam angles, in terms of optics. They're all custom designed. This is our fabrication area, where we do major fabrications for poles and bollards. You find this as a storage racks for the kind of pipes we have to store to ensure that we are able to deliver timely. We will turn around. This is what we call the profile cutting. It is an automated profile cutting machine which cuts off plates to be used as base plate for our poles. Range of cutting machines. This is a plasma cutting machine which cuts in a very, very short time and a very precise cutting it offers. Then we have this TIG welding, argon arc welding machine. As you can see, the process is going on. machine in operation. We have facility for fabricating aluminium, MS, GI, SS, brass, copper, almost any metal that requires fabrication. You see here, the operations are on at the moment. Those are our MIG welding stations on the far end, and we have in process poles under manufacture. As I mentioned, we manufacture MS poles, aluminium poles, and GI, etc. This is a recently acquired very high precision cutter with a precision quality of 0.1 mm. It's a very high speed and a high precision machine, which is primarily required for aluminium parting and cutting, to give us that accuracy and to give us the fidelity of the designs that we make our products. The products, once fabricated, come to this finishing area where they are very finely finished. This is an extensively manual process, but we use it for very fine finishing of our poles. That is why you find our poles with excellent surface finishes. Of course, we ensure that the internal adhesion, paint adhesion, is also as strong as the outer coating. We use the best quality paints from MRF and from Premium. And the bases are so made that these have an extended long life, over 5 years and 10 years. We've had projects over 15 years old which have been in operation. So again, finishing areas. This is all aluminium. These castings are sourced from our various suppliers, but all finished here for the value addition purposes. This is the finishing in operation and finishing in process. Pre-coating finishing is going on right now. And then this, as you can see, is our paint booth. All our products are polyurethane coated, as I mentioned to you. This is our paint booth. It's for 2 HP each, 4 blowers of 2 HP each, and this is a zero pollution paint booth with multiple filters, triple filter screens to ensure that all the fumes are filtered through, all the particles are filtered through, and we discharge absolutely clean air in this sky. This you see is semi-finished and finished poles, these have been freshly coated, freshly painted. They will be cured over a period of 8 hours, and then will be ready for shipment to the client. So maybe the video you may not be able to figure out, but then this is very finely finished poles. Beyond that, we have this paint booth, not very paint booth, it's a curing booth actually, for curing of smaller components after painting, post-painting. I have now brought you to the finishing area of our architectural lighting products. You saw the poles earlier, but this is all architectural lighting products, bollards, where the finishing is going on. It's happening here. Each product is very finely finished. Accuracies are checked, and ensuring that the performance, the accuracy of the dimensions are accurate. As you can see, this is our assembly area where products duly finished, painted, they are assembled here as a last minute assembly, at the last mile assembly. Again, the processes are very fine, and we ensure that product quality is not compromised. Now we come to our test rig, test bench. Most of our products have already been dispatched, so we have few products available. This has a process. This is our testing. This is what we call the aging test. In aging test, we ensure that each product is switched on and switched off 150 times, each cycle being 90 seconds on and 5 seconds off. This is to ensure that that in case that the stresses that are present in the marketplace, or rather the usage under usage conditions, are all created here. And after 150 switchings, this the product, once it comes out, has already attained its lifetime expectancy of whatever 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and 5 years and beyond. So this is a fail-safe mechanism of testing of our products. Now we bring you to the testing area, or rather the quality control area. After aging tests, every product is brought in here. Its parameters are checked. Parameters are recorded and this is all computerized subsequently, so that it is available for posterity. We have a backtracking facility available. Every product can be backtracked to at whatever stage the product is in. So here we take you to this what is called the validation room. So here we do design validations, design data verification, performance reassessment, site simulation evaluation, endurance, external product development. Now this is a product development chamber where we do extensive testing for products over a period of 3 or 4 or 5 months at times, to ensure that whatever faults that have to happen will happen here. And we have thermal gauges and meters available for measuring the temperatures all times. This is our electronic assembly chamber where we do electronic assemblies, testings, sub-assemblies, and quality assurances. All for discrete LED and its components and its sub-assemblies. This is our storage area for our expensive components like LEDs and drivers, etc. Usually they are kept under lock and key and safeguarded from dust or moisture to ensure performance. Then certain other assembly components like screws and such things are stocked separately in separate bins. And then we have a completely separate space for holding the dies and toolings. These are the dies which have been accumulating over 35 years, and we have a huge range of dies which we always stock. And all products are manufactured on dies and toolings, developed in-house. What you're seeing here is our factory office, where we have supervisors and our managers sitting. After finishing, then assembly, then rigorous life cycle tests, then measurements, parametric measurements, the products come here for packing. The packing area, where all products are stamped, marked through stamping machines, pad printing machines, and then they are packed. This is our commercial office. You've already seen part of it through these display of bollards and post-ops and few of these architectural products. I have the pleasure to take you around to our small conference room with our library of data, which again stands collected for many years. There are some demos which are also conducted here for educational and training purposes. Our office chambers. Now here's my office, and I wish to thank you for your patience and thank you for being with me. Bid you goodbye, hoping that we will remain connected in the times to come. Wishing you safe, good, happy life. Good day. Bye-bye.